What's up, everyone? Figured I'd give a little update. The supports are completely done, and now it's on to the actual rocket itself. Other than some lines on the rocket, and every once in a while the nozzle will make contact with the infill. But other than that, it's stable and it's still going strong. 22 hours in, 28%. %10 infill. Some sanding, and of course I'm going to put some paint on it, so I could leave it nude, but I think some paint would look good. I'll give another update here soon.